So what do we do about rainwater harvesting? Apart from promoting the cause of rainwater harvesting within the cities at the society level, we carry out these measures on a large scale on this forest land, wherein a number of monsoon trees keep on flowing. We construct small check dams across those, which arrest the flow of water, which reduces the speed of water, and which enables us to prevent erosion of soil and allow maximum percolation of water. That increases the groundwater level. As a result of that, the greenery around this keeps on spreading. So conservation of water is equally important as afforestation, and so is important spreading awareness or generating awareness about environmental protection, which is not necessarily for the sake of environment or the society or the nation, but which is necessary, absolutely necessary for the sustenance of we human beings, as also all other constituents of our biodiversity. So we need to do this for our posterity as well. And in doing this, our effort is always to try to keep the cost minimum possible and recycle the resources which are otherwise wasted. Look at this. When we talk of plantation or seeds, seeds being converted into saplings, we collect the seeds from the trees around us. We make appeal to people. They keep on eating mangoes, jamun and other fruits. So we make appeal to them. You eat the mangoes, but give the mango stones to us so that we can sow those on this barren foreign land and convert those into saplings. And believe me, thousands of batas keep on coming every year from various sections of this people, various sections of the society. We sow those, and you will see number of such mango trees growing here, and we also keep on distributing those to the people who keep on going treks in the Western Ghats, and they keep on sowing those there. Same thing applies to seeds of jamun and other fruits. The other thing we keep on recycling is the empty milk bags, plastic bags. People keep on throwing these. We tell them don't throw those, clean those and give to us. We sow seeds in those and and convert those into saplings. So those saplings are taken care of. There is also no cost involved in this. And then the empty plastic water bottles or bottles of soft drinks, we use those for storing water here. In the hilly region, when there is no water available during summer period, what we do is that we collect these bottles, fill in those with the rain water during monsoon, dig some trenches over here, stack such bottles here, cover those up with grass, etc., to protect those from the heat and also from withering away here and there, and then use those during summer period for watering the plants, as also extinguishing the fire that takes place here. The fires are always man-made fires. These are not natural fires, and they need to be extinguished, for which you need water. This water is made available at that time. So these are various measures that we undertake for recycling of our natural resources, which otherwise would have caused solid waste management problem to the corporation or to the civic authorities. So these are the indirect benefits of this. And about this project of forest development, which is being carried out on 25 acres of land. More than 25,000 trees have been planted here over the last 4 years. The land which was looking absolute barren 4 years back is now looking absolutely green, and the trees have not only survived but are growing very well now, and we are sure within next 3 years this will grow into a thick jungle. It has been attracting now number of species of birds, butterflies, Wildlife is also seen here in the form of mongoose, snakes, there are peacocks, there are boars, and many more are visible occasionally. So, well friends, this is the difference that the NGOs like Haryali can make to our ecology, make to our environment and to our surroundings. And it is an NGO, that is a non-government organization in truest sense, because it does not depend on governmental sources or governmental projects for its survival or for its activities, which are open for all the members of the society for participation. For participating in the organization of the activities, it is not necessary for any person to be a member of the organization, but being a member helps a person to participate in its administration, in its management, as also keep on receiving its circular about activities, etc. So it is necessary for a person to become member of the organization from that point of view. There are two types of major memberships. One is an activity membership and the other one is life membership. For an activity membership, a person has to fill in a form and pay one-time fees of rupees 1000, which is for lifelong. One doesn't have to pay anything afterwards. So it is a one-time fee and quite affordable. The other is life membership fees for rupees 5000, which is also for lifetime as the name goes. But then the only difference between the two categories is only of technical nature, but otherwise all the members have the same privilege and facilities. So wherever people can afford to pay more, they are motivated to become life members, and wherever they find it difficult to pay the fees of rupees 5000, they are made members at a low rate of rupees 1000, so that nobody is deprived of becoming a member of the organization. And of course, as I told you, activities are open for all the members of the society for participation. So friends, anything else about this, one can keep on talking for hours together, but I believe that is sufficient to introduce Haryali to you. Thank you and good day to all of you. I have with me my colleague Mr. Govindrao Chavan here, who looks after this site. I was telling you about the water bottles being filled in with water and stacked here. You can see few water bottles stacked here. Mr. Chavan will explain to you about this. Mr. Chavan.
Here, what is the empty bottle? We collect it. We appeal to all people. They give us. We collect it. We fill this bottle with the rainwater. We keep it here, and then for this one, after a rainy season, we use it for watering plant here. And if not possible, this one, whenever the fire comes, we use this bottle for controlling fire.
मी आपल्याला मगाशी या ट्रेनचेस संबंधी सांगितलं. इथं मी नुसत्या पाण्याच्या बाटल्या भरून ठेवतो असं नाही, तर या ट्रेनचेसमुळे डोंगरावरून येणारं पाणी जे आहे ते इथं साठून राहतं, जमिनीत मुरतं आणि त्यामुळे पाण्याची पातळी जमिनीखाली वाढत जाते. हे इथं भांबरे आमचे इथले केअरटेकर आहेत, ते आपल्याला या संबंधी अधिक माहिती देतील. या पाणी मुरवण्यामुळे याचा काय फायदा गावातल्या लोकांना झाला आहे का?
आता गावात विहिरी आहेत, बोर्डिंग आहेत, त्यांना सर्वांना पाणी गावाला येतात. परत लोक बाजारातून येतात, मुंबईवरून येतात, लोक फिरायला येतात, तिथं सर्व त्यांना आनंद होतो. परत बाकी झाडांना पाणी आपण देतो, बाटल्या घेऊन जातो. परत आग लागली की ते बाटल्यांचा उपयोग होतो. असं ते करताना आपल्याला गाववाल्यांचा मोठा सहकार्य होतो. परत लोक सिंघवी सरांचा आम्ही आणखी त्यांना यावरच होतो.